Naimbag nga malam kanyayo. Good afternoon everyone. Magandang hapon sa lahat. And let's do a quick learn Ilocano video before I head back home. Just done with my appointment for bonding. Our Ilocano word is Adayo. Adayo. Adayo means far or sa Tagalog ay malayo. Examples are adayupay. Adayupay. That means it's still far. Or sa Tagalog ay malayo pa. Adayo, malayo. Pay, pa. Malayo pa. Last example, adayo, jay, ayanda. Adayo, malayo. Jay, yung, ayanda. Adayo, jay, ayanda. Malayo yung lugar nila or malayo yung kinaroroonan nila. Or in English, their place is far. Let's say you're visiting a friend for the first time and you're visiting a friend for the second time or third time, and let's say you're with someone and it's their first time and you want to say their place is far. You know, just to let the other person know. Adayo jay ayanda. Adayo jay ayanda. And that's about it. That's all for our quick learn Ilocano video. That's all.